Need to hide sensitive information like login details or blur faces in your videos? With FocuSee, it's super easy. Let's dive in. Here is the tutorial about how to blur video. First, open FocuSee on your computer. You can either record a new video or import an existing one to start editing. Click the blur button below the preview window to add a blur effect. On the blur track, adjust the effect's timing to match your needs. Then, use the selection tool to mark the area you want to blur, like the account. Click the blur effect on the track to tweak its intensity and shape. Higher values make it stronger, while elliptical shapes look more natural for faces. Once done, hit export to save your video securely, ready to share without exposing private details. And that's it. With FocuSee, privacy protection is just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.